I heard about Vancouver General Contractors through an extensive research online and offline, asked a lot of people, and finally basically contacted Vancouver General Contractors through the internet. Well, the biggest thing that sold us was the preliminary sketch and drawing, and then being able to get the credit for that sketch put towards the actual project. Well, the design process was a lot of fun because we were able to actually see a CAD representation of what our place would look like when it was finished. And that was much better than just looking at a blueprint for, being able to see the final project versus static lines on a piece of paper. That left a lot for the imagination, and that really made it kind of a fun process for us to see that finish a year and a bit before the actual project even completed. Our favorite room in the house is definitely our front room, and combined with the kitchen, because we find ourselves spending a lot of time enjoying the living room, and we can enjoy the living room both from the couch and from the island, the kitchen island, and that's the way we've designed it. Yes, there were several challenges that came about, and I must admit that he did go the extra mile to make sure that the project was done to our liking, and they did take responsibility for the contractors that they brought onto the project. With the final results, I would say we're extremely satisfied. We know that our place now is something that we can really be proud of. And most important, Tracy and I got together, and this was my place prior to that, and now that we're together, this new renovation made it our place. As far as recommending Vancouver General Contractors, yes, and I would recommend to anybody using Vancouver General Contractors to make sure that you put the timelines in writing and have an agreement to when things will be finished. And if all of those things are done, then Vancouver General Contractors is a great company to work with.